breath of clouds, they drift so near, soft like whispers only I can hear. The world is quiet, the time stands still, a moment frozen on this hill. Under whispered skies we stay, the gentle light won't fade away. Healing winds carry all our fears, whispered skies hold back the tears. The earth hums low, a soothing sound. Every heartbeat feels profound. Gentle hands of time, they trace a quiet love in endless space. If this is all we ever know, let it linger, let it glow. No need to run, no need to try. We've found our peace in whispered skies. Under whispered skies we stay, the gentle light won't fade away. Healing winds carry all our fears, whispered skies hold back the tears. Whispered skies hold a silver flame. The quiet moon calls your name, soft as shadows, still as time. Eternal glow, eternal light, a tender hand in the quiet night. Carry me softly so through the dark, where dreams will grow. A thousand stars in a velvet sea, they hum a song setting me free. Gentle waves in endless flow. Eternal glow, eternal light, a tender hand in the quiet dream